Okay, let's look at this question. It came in GATE 2022 and it is a 1 mark question actually. Okay, so let's solve it. Let's see. Pipes P and Q can fill a storage tank full with water in 10 and 6 minutes respectively. Pipe R draws the water out from the storage tank at a rate of 34 liters per minute. PQR operate at constant rate. If it takes 1 hour to completely empty a full storage tank with all the pipes operating simultaneously, what is the capacity of storage tank in liters? Okay, that's a very interesting question. Let's solve that. In that question, what we will do is we will convert the rate of every pipe into per minute. So, P will be 1 upon 10. It is filling the tank 1/10 per minute. Same Q is 1/6 and R basically is doing 34 liter per minute. It is emptying out, so negative sign. If all of them 1 upon R is, we don't know. So, if all 3 of them is operating simultaneously, then they can fill the tank in 60 minutes. Let's do that. That means 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 6 minus R will be minus because it is emptying out the tank equals. Now, here is a very note point. It will be 1 upon 60 minutes, the negative, because it is emptying out, it is not getting full. So, that means 1 upon R is greater than this sum. So, if you calculate here R you will get 1 upon R is 17 by 60 per minute. So, R is 60 upon 70 minutes. The capacity of tank will be capacity equals to 34 into 60 divided by 70, 2 equals 120 liter. Let's see if this 120 liter is in options. Yes, it is in option C. So, option C is correct answer. Please share and subscribe.